especially the foreigners are more bound to buy stuff like this or get entertained, is actually promoted in the hotel for the guests.
Okay.
Because it is very important that they come back for business or fun or whatever it is, because it's mostly repeat clientele for us. And so we package it like we've done Mahabaleshwar to, I mean, just the close by areas.
Okay.
We even promote Goa, which is not in Maharashtra, but we make sure that they don't go empty-handed. They have a whole brochure of things that they can look at.
Right.
You know, the concierge is there to help. It's not like a taxi stand where, you know, he's first there to make sure what he wants to do. Does he want to go to Mulshi for a hike, which is actually very beautiful. I go there with my wife, and you know, so we see what the customer wants, and then we approach them. So hopefully they stay a day. Even if they don't stay a day, at least they have something to do in the evening. Obviously, we are developing the nightlife for Pune, which has become a tourism, I would say, a lot of people coming from Bombay, and it's a really good catch, the nightlife, and especially this trip, all of Koregaon Park, I mean, starting from Hard Rock, and it's a big entertaining tourism factor. Everyone in Bombay knows what a Hard Rock is, what a Cuba is, and people want to come for the weekend. So whatever little bit we can do as a private establishment, we do that.
That's great.
But again, I mean, I can't package Mulshi that well. Whatever it is, it is. I mean, that's how it's going to be. But whatever we can do best, so at least the guest gets happy.
I have a point to make. The thing, it's like this. They are coming for. They can go at somewhere at night. But there is nothing like something which is in Pune which attracts, you know, families to come and you are going for work. I have something to see. There is nothing of that sort. So we have to some infrastructure, something to be improved that way, so that we get a tourist place.
Here, yes, I just wanted to know that there are a lot of things to here, but we are not highlighted and it's not promoted. What we show snow on Mount Titlis is the snow, which is in the Himalaya also. But some cable car way they presented, and this is something rotary 360 degrees and all that. So all is there.
This is high.
Height is there. We go to Yungfrau and eat Indian food. What is there? So only Puneet, what is important for me is those guys are coming here, and what is the effort done by 5-star hotels is very limited effort.
Yeah,
second thing is that during their stay you try to occupy them.
Yes.
But once they decide to come to Pune or India, they do not decide on number of days I stay for this sightseeing.
Yes.
One day I do my official work, second 2 days I do this sightseeing and then come back, which is not happening. I think that should be the focus for us, how we increase one more night for guests or 2 more nights for this. And if they are coming and working here, so how they can continue Saturday, Sunday here and then go back. So that should be the focus for all tourism, to see that effectively, jointly we work. One more point I have to say that here 5-star hotels are trying base here, but there is a 3-star, 3, 4 and 2 are reluctant to give commissions to the agents, or they are not reaching to using the distribution channel existing in this network. And that I think HRH has to take with them.